Hi everyone, welcome to the first movie from one-to-one series, and today we'll start to working with Excel, and I would like to show you some of the base formulas with the description and the formulas syntax. So here we have the Excel worksheet with four columns. In first one, in A, I put use cases. This is just examples. I would like to show you the formulas with the context of the example. Then the Excel formula, so the formulas and how we can use it. Then the description, so exactly what we are doing. And the formula syntax. So for example, if you like to use it for other cases, you can use and think how you can use it. As well, if you like to see the syntax, in other case, you can just put equal sound and then the formulas you'd like to see. So in this case, SUMIFS. So SUMIFS, then tab, and you can see as well the syntax, right? So sum range, criteria, and then the criteria. But I as well put it here so we can just always can see it as in the column. Let's start with the first one. So I put 10 formulas. Let's start from the first one, so total demand calculation. In this purpose, I use SUMIFS, and in case in SUMIFS, I put demand region, and then I would like to see just the north case. And what we're doing here in description, we're calculating the total demand for a specific region, so the north, using multiple criteria, useful for aggregation demand by location or customer type. And the syntax is SUMIFS, then sum range, criteria range 1, and the criteria. Okay. The second one, inventory lookup, we put XLOOKUP, a very powerful formula. What we're doing here, we are searching for a specific SKU, in this case SKU123, in a list and returns the corresponding inventory level, right? So we're looking for inventory level. It's great for quick SKU level checks. And the syntax, so our lookup value, the first one, what we are looking, lookup array, where, and the return, what we would like to return, in this case inventory level, right? Stockout alert. So here we have like 3 if statement formulas. The first one is checking if the inventory level is 0 and triggers a stockout alert. Helps monitor product availability in the real time. And the syntax is very simple. If statements is started with equal if, logic test, in this case if is equal to 0, if our inventory level is equal to 0, and then we're putting value if true, so in this case stockout, and value if false, in this case just okay. Then let's put the safety stock check, where it compares inventory level against safety stock thresholds to flag potentially understocking situation. In this case, we are checking if inventory level is smaller than safety stock, and this is true, then review, in other case, okay. Then reorder point flag. As well, what we're doing, we're checking inventory level. If it's smaller than reorder point, in true reorder, in other sufficient. So what we're doing here is to flag SKUs that have reached or fallen below the order point, indicating it's time to replenishment stock. Okay, then we have SUMIFS case, monthly sales aggregation. What we're doing here, we're aggregating sales data for a specific month, in this case month and January, right? So we have sales, month and January for a specific month to evaluate performance or trend. And the syntax is very simple, right? Sum range, criteria range, and then criteria. Then let's jump to the next one, supplier code extraction. We have formula is equal to left, SKU entry. What we're doing here, you can use left as well. The same syntax would be for right. So it's left, right. Let's put it in this way. And it's extract the first 3 characters from SKU code from the left side. Common use for different suppliers or product categories, right? You can be 3, 4. You can put whatever charts you would like to see. Syntax left, then text, and name of charts you would like to see. In this case, I'll put just 3. Then let's put delivery day calculation, where I use date if formula and plan delivery, actual delivery, and date. What we did here, we are calculating the numbers of days between planned and actual days to track delivery, right? So we compare 2 days. And the syntax is that data diff, start date, end date, and unit, right? In this case, we have plan date, actual delivery, and days. Then jump to the next one, inventory classification ABC. What we did here is if statement. So if sales is bigger than 10,000 A, if sales is bigger than or equal 5,000 is B, other case C. So we're using nested if logic, right, to assign ABC classification based on sales volume, supporting the representation. You can use for example switch formula as well here, but I would like to make it as simple as it is. So I use if statement here, and the condition is if, then condition 1 results, if this condition 2 results 2, in other case result 2, right? So if it's equal to or bigger 10,000 A, is equal to bigger 5,000 B, other case C. And the last one, in its dynamic forecast model. So we have average, offset, demand, count, minus 30031. Let's jump what is exactly we're doing here. We're using offset and average to calculate a simple moving average for last 3 periods, right? So we have 3, useful for demand for forecasting, okay? And the syntax, so we have average, offset, and reference, rows, columns, wave, and the width, okay? And that should be it for this video. Thank you for watching.